Hello, grade 5 Ruby. Requesting everyone to please stand for our prayer. Amen. Good morning, class. Okay, so before you take your seats, let us have some energizer first to make our body energized and ready for the lesson.
Choo-choo-ah, 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 wah, wah. Choo-choo-ah, 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 wah, wah. Everybody, twist your arms, stretch your arm out. Choo-choo-ah, 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 wah, wah. Choo-choo-ah, choo-choo-ah, choo-choo.
Okay, so you may now take your seats. Now, class, may I know who is absent for today? Very well, no one is absent. Now, what are the things that we need to remember when we are inside our classroom? Okay, raise your right hand if you want to answer. Sit properly. Okay, so can I expect you to do all the things you said? Very good. So now, what was our topic yesterday? Okay, our topic yesterday is all about multiplying numbers. Now, to class, if you really listened to our discussion yesterday, can you solve for the product mentally? Now, once to try to answer number 1. Okay, 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Very good. Let's give ourselves a fireworks clap. Now, class, I have here a pictures of a pizza. Now, what I want you to do is to look carefully at the picture and name the fraction that represents the missing part. So, who wants to try to answer the picture number 1? What fraction is that? Okay, it is 3/4. How about this one? What fraction is this? Okay, it is 2/4 or 1/2. How about this one? Okay, it is 1/4. And how about the last one? Very good, it is 4/6 or 2/3. Good job, class. Now, based on our activity, what do you think is our topic for this morning? Alright, our topic this morning is all about multiplication of fractions. Now, before we dive deeper into our discussion, can you read our objective first? At the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to visualize multiplication of fractions using models. Now, before we finally proceed to our discussion, let us unlock some difficult words that will help us on our lesson this morning. So everyone, eyes on here, fraction. Fraction is a number that represents a part of a whole. For example, 1/2 and 3/4. Multiplication of fraction is the process of finding the product of two fractions, and models is a visual representation of a mathematical concept such as fraction bars or area models. So now, we have here a word problem. Let's read. Mom Ben has a 3/4 hectare land with a goal of making it one of the biggest vegetable plantations in the province. However, he still doesn't know how to get the right fraction of his land. So, Mom Ben talked to an expert and said he wanted to plant the 1/3 of it with vegetables as a start. So what part of his land will be planted with vegetables? Let's find out. Class, in solving a fraction, we have a step-by-step process. So let's start with the step 1. Read and understand. Let's first identify what is asked. In this case, the part of the land that can be planted with vegetables. Question number 2, what are the given facts? So our given facts here are 3/4 hectare of land and 1/3 which will be planted with vegetables. Step 2, plan. Find the 1/3 of 3/4. In order to find that, we have to multiply them. Step 3, solve. Multiply 3/4 by 1/3. Now, what are the steps to multiplying fractions? Let's follow this. Here are the steps on how to multiply a fraction. Step 1, we have to multiply the numerators. So 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Very good. Step 2, multiply the denominators. So 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So the answer is 312. Now to check, we have to simplify it. So we must find its greatest common factor, or the GCF, that can divide both 3 and 12. In this case, 3. So 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. Therefore, our answer is 1/4. So to check if 1/4 is the correct answer, we can use our creativity. This time, we will visualize the fraction. But how can we visualize a fraction? So, multiplication of fraction can be visualized by paper folding or drawing an illustration using figures like square models. So everyone, kindly look at the picture and let's see how 1/3 of 3/4 looks like. So this is the 3/4 hectare of land, and this is the 1/3. And look at this drawing. So if 1/3 overlaps to 3/4, notice that the rectangle is already divided into 12 squares. Now, and the 3/4 of 12 of it is shaded twice. Therefore, 1/3 of 3/4 is equal to 3/12. So, can you see, as you can see in the drawing, there are 12 squares already. We already overlap the 1/3 to 3/4. So, our answer is correct. So this is the final answer. The 3 here is the number of the overlapping sections, and the 12 is the total of sections. So our answer is correct. Now, did you really understand our topic? Okay, very good. So now, kindly bring a 1/2 sheet of paper and try to answer this. Okay, so Amy, volunteer, who wants to answer our problem here in front? Okay, so now let's check your answers. Who got the perfect answer? Who got the correct answer? Okay, very good, class. So now we will have a group activity. I will be dividing you into 2 groups. This is the group 1 and the group 2. So now the name of our activity is called fraction board. So I have here a fraction matching board, and each team will get this. So your task is to whoever finished it first will be the winner. Okay? So this is for the group 1. And this is for the group 2. And I will give you 5 minutes to finish your activity. Okay, are you done? Very good, class. Let's give ourselves a very good clap because you did well on your activity today. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Now for our activity number 2, this is called pass the ball. So I will play some music while you pass the ball around. When the music stops, the person holding the ball will answer the questions. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, very good, class. It seems like you understand well our topic today. So because of that, kindly bring a 1/2 sheet of paper and try to answer this. So everyone, let's read the instruction. Study the area models in column A and visualize the fraction represented by the shaded part of each model. Then match each model to the correct fraction in column B. So, everyone bring a paper and answer quietly. Are you done? Okay, everyone, can you pass all your papers? Alright, so now, for your assignment, bring out all your assignment notebook and copy this. Okay, stand up everybody. Goodbye, class. Thank you for listening.